flash flood fetish! Regardless of the flash flood fetish! Alert not found!
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect through Friday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Maryland, the District of Columbia, Virginia, and West Virginia, including the following areas: in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Carroll, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Frederick, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, Southern Baltimore, and Washington. The District of Columbia. In Virginia, Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Augusta, Clark, Culpeper, Eastern Highland, Eastern Loudoun, Fairfax, Frederick, Greene, Madison, Northern Fauquier, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Orange, Page, Prince William, Rappahannock, Rockingham, Shenandoah, Southern Fauquier, Stafford, Warren, Western Highland, and Western Loudoun. In West Virginia, Berkeley, Eastern Grant, Eastern Pendleton, Hampshire, Hardy, Jefferson, Morgan, Western Grant, and Western Pendleton. Through Friday afternoon, showers and thunderstorms with locally heavy rainfall are expected into Friday afternoon. Rainfall amounts may reach 1 to 3 inches in a short period, which could cause localized flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
This is what we like to call in the LWS County warning area a flash flood fetish.